It's easy to talk about the benefits to make a case for peer-to-peer learning. It is less easy to talk about the challenges. My name is Ryan Sobeck. I'm one of the assistant directors of educational technology at Yale University. So today I'm going to be talking about making group work work. If we want to create a culture of peer-to-peer learning and group work at our institutions, what can we do to mitigate these kinds of challenges? There can be systematic barriers to adopting that kind of learning at an institution. There is a startup cost for any new thing an instructor wants to do because they're not just teaching, they're also mentoring, they're also doing research. And so when we think about from an institutional level of should I buy this tool or should I buy that tool, having things that are easier to do so that they're not going to like 5 or 6 different spaces to do an activity or do a learning strategy can go a long way to seeing the change in culture that you want to see.